Hi, I'm Dr. Usha BR. I'm a gynae laparoscopic surgeon working at Apollo Spectra Hospitals, Koramangala, Bangalore. Today I want to speak to you about a cosmetic gynecological procedure called vaginal rejuvenation. Now this treatment uses laser as a treatment modality in gynecology. Now what are the indications for this procedure? We see a lot of patients in our OPD with chronic vaginitis, chronic cervicitis as their main problem. They present with chronic discharge. And we also see a lot of patients with incontinence as their problem. What is incontinence? Is when the patient is not able to hold their urine, either because of stress or when they cough, or when there is increase in abdominal pressure, they tend to leak, or they have urgency and then they leak. So either of these conditions, when carefully selected, can undergo this procedure. And we also see a lot of patients with lax vagina also, where this procedure could help them. Now how does this work? It is basically laser that is used, which improves the vaginal epithelium by acting at the collagen layer. In turn, it helps the vaginal epithelium to regenerate and to improve the vaginal environment so that it prevents reinfections. What exactly is done in this procedure? It is an OPD procedure wherein we use a probe which is similar to the transvaginal ultrasound probe. Along with that, the laser is used to improve the vaginal epithelium. It may be 3 to 4 sittings for the patient, which is done as an OPD procedure, and the patient is sent back home after some time. So over time, over the 3 to 4 sittings, the patient could note the change herself in terms of reduction in discharge, or in terms of improving the tone of the vagina, or in terms of improving the bladder control. So in that way, we offer this treatment modality at Apollo Spectra Hospitals. So if you have any more queries about this procedure, you can contact us. We will be able to help you. Thank you.